It is 11:03, Thursday the 19th of January, and it has taken me forever. Ooh. Why is it not focusing? I fly out to Italy tomorrow. I didn't get to do anything that I was supposed to do yesterday because my memory card was full. I wanted to record everything. Plus, even when I wiped everything, edited all the videos, it still kept saying that my camera was full. It didn't make much sense. But I managed to figure it out. There's a setting on this camera that I needed to sort out, which I now have. But I'm on my way right now to put some money in my account, my Monzo account, so I'm able to travel with that. I'm trying to budget. Damn, I look crazy. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what it is, but I'm really scared to pick up my camera and film in East Street. I just feel like someone's got their teeth out of my hands. Yeah, I did an online doctor order.
What's your date of birth? The 1st of November.
Thank you so much.
You got number 961?
No.
Yeah, it's a telephone number.
Yeah, this is. Do you know is this an older account? Can I update it?
Yeah, write it on here for me, and I'll update it.
Right, I'm walking all the way to Camberwell Blush to get a pedicure before I leave, and then I want to take off this week and do it properly again. I don't know if I'll do it today, probably. I don't know when I come back. That palm stretcher over there has so much like goods in there. And my lips are always dry because of the weather right now. I'm about to go in there because I need some sort of Vaseline on these lips before they just drop off. We are in Pound Stretcher in East Street. Ooh. I normally like to travel with like a pair of exfoliating gloves, and I'm actually going to get myself a toothbrush. They have natural bamboo toothbrushes in here, but I always look for like a specific kind of toothbrush. Let me humble myself. This toothbrush looks big. I'm going to just put this in my suitcase. One thing I don't see is the exfoliating gloves. Exfoliating gloves, where are you? They have shavers in here, and I actually bought shavers yesterday at Superdrug for like £1.50. No 2 teeth, but at least I got my little points. I fully cannot find the exfoliating gloves. Do you have Vaseline in here? Okay, I'll just get a toothbrush. Okay. On our route back to get my toes did. This is serious. No food from morning. Not even a drink. Just rushing to get to this foot appointment just so that I can get it over and done with. I didn't do it yesterday. I did brush my teeth, but my lips are dry. The first time I come out my yard with no comment. This is embarrassing. Fully. No, I actually feel shame when I have to cheek the cup camera. I don't have no manners.
Sorry darling, wait more than half hour because I got to finish soon. Yeah, you come back and wait and I don't come back, sorry.
Did you do me last time?
I'll come back after this lady, no? Yeah. Ready to come back? Or you wait?
I don't mind waiting. I don't really have much to do, but I'm bored. I don't know what to do with myself. 30 minutes. In the space of 30 minutes, I should be getting up to go find myself some Vaseline because these lips need some help. Okay. Guys, I'm trying out a cream QC. Intro is so cute. I think they look quite nice. If you ask me. The ones look so good. I should be able to zoom out. You can see now. It looks like a hat on my head. I think I should do. Just put the hat back on. I'm taking it off today. Pick up the keeps. It's not gonna work like this. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. It's basically not really chicken wings, it's basically like a whole chicken. This looks too good. How's it rude? No, I just did it here for the first time. I have an AirPod in it, by the way. You can't really tell. Just bright. I know when the woman was doing, maybe not even talk about it whilst I eat my food. This is chicken breast. This is too good. I wonder if we can tell them to check this back and change it to like sweet chili or something. This looks too good. I changed my wings to get some sweet chili because the original was a bit plain, but they are very nice and crispy.
It's just about to drop in a minute.
Wait, I think I'm doing it right actually. I'm curious. I know you're not supposed to eat with this, but it's for noodles, right?
You can use it for rice as well.
Can you? I didn't know that. You for what? Yeah, that was quick. How do you do that? I'm curious. I've always wanted to know how to
like this. You moving with the second finger and third.
Is this right?
Higher up, higher up. Yeah.
Or if you want to,
Wait.
I can bring four. Yeah, this.
This.
Yeah, something.
But then you don't move this one.
Yeah, we don't move this. Only, yeah.
Am I doing it right?
Yeah, little bit. Yes.
I'll get the hang of it eventually. Wait, is it like this?
Like this. Just do it slowly, take your time. It's good, trust me.
This is weird though. No egg in mine because I don't eat egg. But I'm gonna.
Sure, you let them know you couldn't finish it, so
I couldn't finish my food, guys.
Defeated.
Full. Every time I get like really hungry, my eye gets red and I order more than what it is I can handle. So I'm packing away. I had half. The portions are really big here. I didn't finish my chicken either. No, if you notice, this is like half a chicken, you know. The receipt, this is what we ordered. One thing that I want to do, yeah, is my jaw surgery. I'm joking. Every time I mention a surgery, just...
Bro, why do you need to do all that shit? Like, I don't know if you're listening to people or what. You don't know how you look. You don't know how you look. Like, even when you walk the road, so people are looking at you. I know why, but you don't see it. And I already know how you look, so I do this surgery every minute and lips and this. I'm thinking, oh,
Okay, for now.
you don't understand.
It's recording, you know. You're getting on to me in my vlog.
Oh, boy. That's the fucking wrong, isn't it?
My friend is such a meanie sometimes. I'm joking. Just coffee.
No, it's not.
It's a big, but it tastes like like some sort of caramel in there. Ready to do the rolls? We are going to the cafe to do some work. And then I'm gonna go home and pack and finish off my maintenance too. I know when the woman was doing my feet, she was laughing at my hair, my leg hairs. She was thinking, these hairs have been growing for some time. Guys, can you tell by my stomach? My stomach is just big right now. I can't even tuck it in. It's serious. Let me show them where we went. We went to this Korean restaurant right here. Okay, I'm looking at the statement of fact. Do you want me to change everything, like the dates and... I'm pregnant, guys, and I'm doing work. I told myself I'm gonna make it my mission to find a normal job by the end of January, February. Yeah, I think it will help boost my application process for my accommodation of living by myself. What else am I doing? I've been here trying to do editing for my YouTube videos. I've accidentally uploaded it in the wrong format, so it's taken days to upload. I have like content for days now because I'm actually trying to take my vlogging seriously. I just need to sit down and actually get my makeup tutorials out there. I have a makeup tutorial coming and a hair video which was a fail, but I'm still gonna post it anyways. It's content. I'm actually real happy. I'm trying to take my life seriously. I'm trying to be more consistent. I'm also going to register myself as self-employed instead of running a company. When you run a company, it is difficult, stressful. I feel like you just need... If you're like somebody like me that finds it kind of difficult to understand accounting and numbers, etc, you definitely need to get an accountant and a book. I feel like because I'm so small as well, accountants will try and take the piss and take advantage of me. I don't have no problem.
Yeah, we'll buy one. What did you say?
I said I don't have no top lip, and you said I must buy one.
Oh no,
this guy is so rude.
I wasn't talking about that, man. I'm talking about...
So rude.
No, I'm not. I'm not rude because I'm actually trying to help you with your clothing.
Okay, thank you. Guys, it's now 5:57 and we're still in here. It's been like an hour. I've edited the majority of my hair video. And it's still on 46% and 4%. all because I uploaded them in the wrong format, but it's cool. What am I gonna do? I'm actually gonna leave because my computer's gonna die. It's on 2%. My laptop's on 2%, but I'm about to go to Boots to pick up my prescription, and then I'm gonna go home and take this wig off and finish off maintenance day. Hey, I'm back. I'm back indoors now. YouTube videos are still taking really long to upload. This tired wig is about, okay, it's not tired, it just needs, I needed to spend more time on it, and I didn't really spend a lot of time on it at all. So I'm actually gonna redo this, but I'm flying out tomorrow. I'm flying out tomorrow, and I haven't packed, I haven't gotten ready, and I have less than 24 hours to get ready, pack my suitcase, and etc, etc. So first things first is taking this week off. Okay, I look absolutely crazy. Hair is out. My hair is finally done. I'm about to literally just put it up, you know, oil it one more time, and then I'm gonna charge my battery for a second, so I'm gonna take a break, and then we can start packing for this little 2 nights away in Italy. I'm not gonna lie, I'm going there for the food, and second of all, I have been feeling stressed out lately, so I'm literally just going there to chill. So I'm going there to cock up my foot and relax. Guys, thank you for tuning in, but I'm gonna end this vlog here because I don't have a lot of packing to do. I'm basically packed. I just overthink sometimes, and I feel like I need more than what it is I need, and I really don't. But I'm actually super tired. This food is so nice. I've noticed that every time I've ate, it's just making me feel like I want to sleep. Like, it tastes so good. I feel like I've had like a very, very eventful day, and I just need to rest. I'm gonna make sure before I leave at least one of these videos are uploaded. I'm also gonna make sure my suitcase is packed. My makeup is packed. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week.